Good morning, student. আজি second class discuss করিম accounting treatment. So company কেনেকে shares issue কৰে. Number first, for cash, that means তোমার shares লব, shares দিয়া হব, তার জায়গায় পয়সা লব. That is cash and shares. So this is known as for cash. And the second is for consideration other than cash. For consideration other than cash, that means share o jaga paisa nohoy onno kiba. For example, eta company machine purchase korile, say 1 lakh, eta 20,000 part payment kori dile cash, and remaining company with payment koribo kane 80,000 nai. So company 80,000 er jaga shares issue kori dis, which is known as the issue of share for consideration other than cash. Etu kiba loan settlement lo kane koribo pare, fixed asset purchase acquire kora kane tar payment koribo pare with the help of shares. Now when share issue for cash ot keneke issue koribo paribo. Number first is issue at par. Second, issue at premium, and third is issue at discount. Issue at par means when the company issues share at a face value, that is nominal price. Say face value is rupees 10, eta share dam 10 taka, a company 10 rupees ke gute share khini issue koribo, to hetu koa hoise issue at par. If the company issues share more than face value, say 10 tokia share to 12 taka issue korise, to hetu hobo tuma issue at premium. Or if the company issues share less than face value, is known as issue at discount. But why company issue at share premium? What are the conditions for issue of share at discount? Ekhini ami question kora homo discuss kori. Now eta ahu numerical question hole, when share issue at par, otherwise fully subscribed. Issue of share at par fully subscribed. আমি বড় কোয়েশ্চন এটা লইলাম। A limited issue 10,000 shares of 10 each to the public subscription at the rate of 10 each to the public subscription. The money is payable on application rupees 2 per share, on allotment 3 per share, on first call again 3 per share, and on final call per share, 2 per share. The issue is subscribed in full. The issue is subscribed in full. Money due on allotment and call are duly paid. Money due on allotment and calls duly paid. Duly paid. Journalizing the transaction. Journalizing the transaction. Transaction. So here is the question. A Limited issue করিছে 10000 share 10 টাকাকে for a public subscription. Public কারণে 10000 share issue করিছে 10 টাকাকে and money is payable. কেনেকে পয়সা কিনি দিয়া হবো application সময় 2 টাকাকে at the time of application. At the time of distribution, that is allotment of share 3 টাকা. Next first call 3 টাকা, final call 2 টাকা. গোটেইখিনি মিলাই টোটাল তোমাৰ 10 টাকা হ'ব. এই 10 টাকাটো কেনেকে কোম্পানীয়ে call করিব দি থোৱা আছে on application again to allotment 3, first call 3, final call 2. The issue is subscribed in full. That means company যিমানখিনি share issue কৰিছিলে কিমানখিনি subscribe বা কিমানখিনি public লৈছে. The money due on allotment and calls duly paid. যিমানখিনি পইচা allotment, first call, final call due হৈছিলে এই due amount খিনি pay কৰা হৈছে. So journalizing the transaction. So in first number 1, the প্রথম entry to hobo in the books of company. First, application money received. Application money received. Number 1, अपन फरुके लिखिम ये तो जगह कम. Bank account debit. Bank account debit to share application account. To share application account. So what is the number of shares? 10,000. And what is the rate of application? 2. So 10,000 into 2. 10,000 into 2. 20,000. 20,000. Narration to Nilipho Koilisu. Bank account debit to share application account, being the receipt of application money on 10,000 shares at the rate of 2 per share. Again, being application money received on 10,000 shares at the rate of 2 per shares. The second entry is transfer of application to share capital. So equity share application account. This one is debit. Share application. Share application account is debit to share capital. To share capital 20,000. 20,000. Share application account debit to share capital account 20,000. Being application money on 10,000 share at the rate of 2 per share transferred to shares capital account. Being application money on 10,000 shares at the rate of 2 per share transferred to share capital account. So these are the 2 entry for application. The first step is application money received, then application money transferred. Now allotment. Number 3, allotment. The allotment money first due hobo. So what is the due entry? Share allotment account debit to share capital. Share allotment account debit to share capital account. share allotment account debit to share capital account. So what is the rate of allotment? It is 3. So 10,000 into 3, 30,000. 10,000 into 3, 30,000. 30,000. Being allotment money due on 10,000 shares at the rate of 3 per share. Share allotment account debit to share capital account. 10,000 into rate of allotment is 3. And the fourth entry is allotment money received. Number 4, bank account debit. Bank account debit 30,000 to share allotment account. To share allotment account 30,000. So after due, the second entry for allotment is bank account debit to share allotment account, being allotment money received on 10,000 shares at the rate of 2 per share. Next, the allotment is complete. The next entry is for call money due and received. So here the two calls, the first and final call. Number 5th, first call money due. Similarly, share allotment to share capital. Similarly, share first call. Share first call account debit. Share first call account debit to share capital. To share capital account. What is the rate of first call? That is 3. Again 10,000 into 3. 10,000 into 3. 30,000. 30,000. Being allotment money due, being first call money due on 10,000 share at the rate of 3 per share. Again number 6. Bank account debit. Bank account debit to share first call. To share first call account. 30,000. 30,000. Being the first call money received on 10,000 share at the rate of 3 per share. So first call is complete. Now the final call. Final call. Number 7th entry. The final call money due. The share final call account debit. Share final call. Final call account debit to share capital. To share capital. The rate of final call is 2. The number of share is 10,000. So 10,000 into 3. 2. The 20,000. Being the final call money due on 10,000 shares at the rate of 2 per share. The last entry is the final call money received. Again bank account debit. Bank account debit to share final call. To share final call account. 20,000. Being final call money. Being final call money received. These are the first 8 entries for application. First, again, Arambanba Kodisu A Limited issued 10,000 shares of 10 each, which was payable at the time of application to allotment 3, first call 3, final call 2. All the shares are subscribed, all the shares are fully subscribed, and the money due on allotment and call are paid. So journalize the following transaction. The first entry is pass for application, that is first application money received. For receipt of application, bank account debit to share application and then transferred share application to share capital. Second, for allotment money due, share allotment account debit to share capital and bank account debit to share allotment account. Final, first call money due, first call account debit, share first call account debit to share capital and bank account debit to share first call account. And finally the final call, the share final call account debit to share capital being final call money due, and finally the final call money is received, bank account debit to share final call account. So these are the first questions. The next topic is issue of share at premium. At premium. According to Company Act and section 52 subsection 1, a company issues share at premium at a price higher than face value, and the premium is the difference between issue price and the face value of the shares. Where the company issues share at premium, whether for cash or otherwise, sum equal to value of premium on those shares will transfer to an account called security premium account. An amount earned by company on the issue of share at premium cannot said to be profit earned by company. It is an unusual course in a business and it must be treated as a capital profit and transferred to profit and loss account. First, the difference between face value, the difference between face value and issue price is equal to premium. The difference between face value and issue price is equal to premium. For example, the face value of share is ₹10 and company issued these shares at the rate of 13 per share. So therefore the difference is 3, which is known as premium. And this premium money is transferred to separate account, which is known as security premium account or security premium reserve account, and it is not a usable profit. As it is not a usable profit, is transferred to a profit and loss account as a capital profit. Next, security premium, use of security premium. Use of security premium. The use of security premium. So here, what are the utilization of security premium money? But otherwise company as a premium money use receive করে a premium money to quote use করে. Number first point, to issue fully paid bonus share to the shareholders. Number first, to issue fully paid bonus share. To issue fully paid bonus shares. Second, to write off preliminary expenses of the company. Second, to write off preliminary expenses of a company. So Vedana, what is preliminary expenses? To write off the expenses of commission paid, discount allowed on shares, debentures of the company, etc. To write off expenses. Number third, to write off expenses or commission paid, discount allowed on shares, otherwise debenture, etc. To buy back of shares, of shares, and to provide premium payable, on redemption of any redeemable preference shares. What are the utilization of security premium? Otherwise, what are the use of security premium? Number first, to issue fully paid bonus shares. To write off preliminary expenses of the company. To write off expenses like commission paid, discount on issue of shares, and debenture, etc. To buy back of shares, and to provide premium payable for redemption of any redeemable preference shares. These are the 5 utilization of security premium according to Company Act. Three importance points. For security premium. Number 1, security premium account cannot be distributed as a dividend in cash. Security premium account cannot be distributed as dividend in cash. Premium amount of jikhini money ahibo ba jikhini paisa ahibo ekini dividend rupot ba dividend hisabe distribute koribo nwari. Number first point, dividend hisabe distribute koribo nwari. I'm repeating again, the security premium account cannot be distributed as dividend as cash, in cash. Second, the annual balance sheet must be disclosed the amount of security premium as a separate item. Pratyek bosore company balance sheet security premium account kon disclose koribo lagibo as a separate item. Konoba beleg item agota adjust kori nohoi separate item hisabe disclose koribo lagibo. Second point is, in annual balance sheet, the security premium account is disclosed as a separate item, and security premium money cannot be treated as a free reserve. It treated as a capital reserve. That means it is a part of capital reserve. So free reserve hisabe ami treat koribo nwaro. Yet capital reserve or security premium account is a part of capital reserve. So capital reserve or heading or tolot as a security premium ami disclose korim in balance sheet. So ekini asile tomalogo security premium upor kotha. What is security premium, and then what are the use of security premium, what are the three points to be important point about the security premium. Next, accounting treatment. Accounting treatment of security premium. For example, if premium money collected, collected along with allotment money, allotment money. Last class question of discuss korisilu ki what is the due entry for allotment. Share allotment account debit, share allotment account debit to share allotment account debit to share capital. It was the due entry. ইয়াৰ পাছত আমি ৰিসিভ কৰিছিলো allotment money to bank account debit to share allotment. But here, for example, we also if the premium money is collected, along with allotment, then you have, for example, premium money to allotment of adjust kori loa hoy, tenehole security premium to at the time of due credit hobo security premium to security premium account. So if the premium money is collected along with allotment, the security premium account is credited at the time of passing due entry. So these are the accounting treatment for security premium.